Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about managing your product price settings on Wix in 2025. If you've ever felt a bit overwhelmed by all the pricing and shipping options within your Wix store, don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently set up your pricing, shipping displays, and even refine your store's inventory settings to give your customers a smoother shopping experience. So let's jump right in and make your storefront shine. First things first. From your Wix dashboard, you'll want to look for the Settings section. Now, you might be tempted to just start clicking around, but here's a quick tip. Use the search bar at the top of the Settings menu. Just type in Product Price Settings, and you'll save yourself some time hunting through endless menus. This brings you straight to the section you need, where all of your store's pricing and inventory management options live. Next, click on Store Products and Inventory. This is basically the nerve center for everything related to your products, from how prices are shown to how inventory gets handled. Once you're inside, keep an eye out for Price and Shipping Display. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually where you customize how pricing information appears to your customers, something that can make a big difference in their decision to buy. Now, let's talk inventory updates. This is crucial for store owners, especially if you sell products that are in limited stock. A common question is, when should I update my store inventory? After an order is placed or only when it's paid? Always update your inventory only after an order is paid. Think about it like this. You wouldn't want to reserve an item for someone who changed their mind or never completed checkout. Waiting until payment confirms the transaction prevents you from accidentally overselling your products. Moving on, let's discuss shipping rules, which can really affect your margins and customer satisfaction. You might want to offer shipping only for orders that reach a certain subtotal. For example, you could set a minimum subtotal, let's say $50, and only allow customers to select shipping if their cart total exceeds that amount. This strategy not only covers your shipping costs, but also encourages customers to add more items to their cart. Setting this up in Wix is straightforward, and you can usually do it right within the price settings we just navigated to. The next setting is all about transparency, tax, and shipping details. You'll have an option to display information back-to-back with your product price, which is so important for customer trust. You can choose to show whether tax is included in the price or if it's added at checkout. And adding notes about shipping and delivery, like free shipping or shipping policy, is easy and super helpful. Think of those tiny info icons next to prices on big websites. That's exactly what you're providing. You can even let customers click this text to open a pop-up with more detailed information, making your store look extra polished and professional. Here's another handy tip. If you sell products with multiple price options, you can show the lowest price with the word "from" right next to it. For example, from $9.99. This is a great way to highlight affordability if you have variations or bundles. Preview your changes to make sure everything looks good before going live. Pausing to double-check here can save you from awkward customer questions later. And that's it. With these settings, your Wix store will not only look more trustworthy and organized, but you'll also be providing clarity and confidence to your buyers, ultimately leading to more conversions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about pricing or managing your online store, I'd love to help. Just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.